Welcome to this room tour of B732 on deck 11 of P&O Azura. This is the Barbados deck. Firstly, slot for your key card, light switches, and then a walk-in wardrobe area, which I wasn't expecting. Not very many hangers, but you could request more if you need them. And a little bit of storage up top here too. A few more hangers this side. And then you've got the safe. Quite a small one to store your valuables. It won't fit a laptop in there. And then you've got this storage space. Little table. And let's take a look at the bathroom next. It has the dreaded clingy shower curtain, unfortunately. The White Company has both shampoo and the bath and shower gel. WC. Few glasses, more White Company hand wash this time, and mirror. Hi. So another mirror here as you come out of the bathroom, and let's head into the main area. There you've got your temperature thermostat. And this is an inside room, so here is the bed area. Nice that the closet is separated from the sleeping space. And then TV, tea and coffee making facilities, which is available on all P&O ships, which is a nice touch. You've got one UK outlet there, the telephone, the Daily Horizon program, and there are two more UK outlets there. And then you have a desk area, hairdryer in there, a few little end shelves here, and then obviously a chair, and then you've got the fridge. It's not a stocked minibar, it is just a fridge. And also the coffee as well. Some biscuits, some Tetley tea, some whatever that is type coffee. Lots of little creamers as well. And bedside lamps either side of the bedside cabinets. There are no USB sockets, as this is a fairly old ship, but it's pretty nice size, I think. So there you go. That is the room tour of B732 on Barbados deck, deck 11 on P&O Azura. This is an inside stateroom. Do consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first to be notified when new content drops. And thank you so much for watching. There will be more Azura content following very soon. Take care now. Bye.